Vishnu. In this video presentation for Database Fundamentals 9.2D task, I'll demonstrate the user interface I have developed for the BookTrack regional library system. The interface allows users to register a library members through a web form that interacts with the MySQL database. Before executing the program, I'll just show you what are the technologies I have been used. The main technology I have used is XAMPP app, control panel with Apache and MySQL server running. So I'll show you the files that have been created. I have created two files, that is configure.php and process.php. PHP is used for server-side scripting and database operations, whereas MySQL is used for database management system, and HTML and CSS as the front-end part for the user interface. And the another main resource that is used is php.myadmin. This is where the database that have been created in the interface will be reflected in this, and the management is done through this. So I have created a library.database for my project. In that there will be three tables, that is members, books, and currently when I click on members, there is an existing member that has been with the membership and taking the borrows, whereas if I go to books, I'll see the options of 4 books that are available. So now let's go and try to do the execution. So the execution will be done on 3 parts. I can show you one with a successful execution, that is, let's take a name as OJS and create ojas@gmail.com by giving all the valid information. And select a book and create the checkout date, which will be automatically updated to the due date, because it should be submitted before the due date, so that there will be no fines attached to the member. So let's create. So this is the successful registration. Now let's just see whether the creation has been updated in the table or not. So when we click on member, we can see that the table has been created as OJS. We can see here. Now let's try to pop up an error, so by creating the same name again, same name or same field again. So here I have created same name with same thing and giving another fields as different with different book and different checkout date. You see a pop-up message saying email address already registered, please use a different email, please go back and correct the errors. So this is the error method that have been pop up when we use the same fields again. Let me quickly walk through the code structure. So this is the configure.php handles database connection using MySQL with proper error handling and input sanitization, and add member.html contains the responsive form with HTML5 validation and JavaScript for enhanced user experience, and process member.php process from submissions, validates data, checks for duplicate emails, and executes the SQL insert query and prepared statements to prevent SQL injection. The code follows security best practices with parameterized queries and comprehensive validation at both client and server levels. This is the CSS style using the form to make more attractive. In conclusion, the user interface successfully demonstrates database interaction through web form. The system properly handles both successful and unsuccessful insertion attempts, maintaining the data integrity through validation, and provides clear user feedback. The project gave me a valuable hands-on experience with the embedded SQL. Thank you.